planet Jupiter. Yeah, the biggest planet in our solar system.
Halo teman-teman, apakah kalian sudah tahu tentang planet? Planet adalah bola-bola besar yang mengelilingi matahari. Dan untuk teman-teman tahu, ternyata ada banyak banget planet di luar angkasa yang tentunya sangat menakjubkan kita semua. Di sini, Isa akan menunjukkan planet-planet itu ke teman-teman semua. Yuk, kita simak video berikut ini.
What about the sun? Yeah, and then the sun is so bigger. There's 1.3 million Earths that can fit inside of it. Whoa, that's Mother Earth. Here you go. Woohoo!
Planet 1.
That is Mercury. Wow, that planet, it's really rocky. And there's so many craters on it. It's the closest planet to the sun. One rotation around the sun is super fast. It's only about 88 days on Earth. Mercury is awesome. Woohoo! That it's Venus, and it's so hot. That's the hottest man. Whoa, it's getting hot here. The planet has so many volcanoes on it, and it's actually really bright. If you look up in the sky, if you look up in the night sky, on planet Earth, without a telescope. Wow! Woohoo! That.
Planet 2. Earth.
Woohoo! That is the planet Earth. There's so much water and much trees and much mountains and the planet Earth. Yeah, we have one moon. That's in there now. Oh, hello. Thank you so much for lighting.
Planet 4. Mars.
The planet Mars. Yeah, and there's so much robots and much rovers to Mars. That is awesome. As humans have yet to land on Mars ourselves, and someday, maybe soon, maybe you'll be an astronaut. Yeah. That is the planet Mars. Whoa, it has 2 moons. That's the cool lucky planet. Woohoo!
Planet 5.
And what's that? The planet Jupiter. Yeah, the biggest planet in our solar system. Whoa! Aha! That asteroid goes so intense! And look at that! That's our planet Jupiter. It's the bigger planet in our solar system. And you see that bigger red dot? Yeah, and that is the storm. Ooh, that's a big storm. And Jupiter actually has 79 moons. That's crazy! Oh!
Planet 6. Saturn.
Oh! This is a planet Saturn. Whoa, what are those? Those its wings. Oh, there's so much dust, ice, and rocks that form those to make up those wings. Okay. Alright, silence, see you later. Bye-bye.
Planet 7. You ready?
Whoa, that is the planet Uranus. Now, the wings of Uranus is side to side. The wings of Uranus side to side.
Planet 8. Neptune.
Oh, let's get out of here. Oh.
The last planet. Pluto.